Hey, today we have so many puppets here, but we are not going to make a toy review. This is, however, a sharing of a new idea about modifying the famous Apple display. It is technically easy, and you can do it yourself. This is the housing of the studio display from a non-serviceable unit. I took apart all of its contents, including the CRT. However, please be cautious that the high voltage of the CRT. Afterwards, we need to fetch a 16 or 17 inches LCD panel and apply some glue around the border and stick it with the front bezel. Afterwards, we need a acrylic plate and insert the acrylic plate here. By doing so, the housing will be divided into two parts. The front part is the LCD and the rear part is the showcase. After we have done all these things, we have to take apart the cover of the studio display, and then we can put the puppets inside. And for the LCD panel, we need two cables to connect with the LCD. The first one is the VGA cable and the second one is the power. And the cable inserted here and attached with the LCD panel. And then we put all the puppets, our beloved puppets, in the showcase, one by one. Oh, you are too big. And then we put the cover back here. And that is the idea of the studio display mode. Thank you for watching today. Goodbye.